Hmm? Oh, ang lakas. Nakagandahan pagka nagkakandap ka ng pre-trip guys ha. If you conduct your pre-trip, you see the problem in your truck and tsaka trailer. Ito, violation to, violation. Delikaro to, delikaro. Wow! Guys, ha? If you see something like this, automatic report to your company. See? Sinain yung ilalim, yung ilalim. Oh. Ako, deliver ko lang, malapit lang naman. Sabi sa discuss ko. At saka sa aking ano. Alright guys, temperature 0, 28 ang zone 2. So zone 1 0, 28 ang zone 2, box 3 ang 33. Ayos. Alright guys, so oras na para mag pre-trip tayo. Tapos re-recta na tayo sa ating dideliveran. See, as you guys can see, oh, proper tire, boots. Tapos naka-visibility boost tayo. Naka-visibility beast. Visibility best. Para wala silang masabi. Hindi ka nila papapasukin doon kapag hindi ka naka-visibility boost. Hindi ka nila i-unload. Na-strict ko ng lugar na yan. Anyway, ganun talaga yung gusto nila. Check, check. Okay. Ayos. Yun lang ang problema dito, yung running light. Paayos ko na lang. Quick trip para makakapunta na tayo. Bargayin na natin. Oh. Sa ilalim. Make sure walang problema. Uy, ano nangyari? Parang ay delikado to guys. Merong ano, may tama oh. Oh holy smoke. Naglilik ang trailer. Oh, nag-grab oh. Kailangan kong i-report ito sa ano, sa customer. I mean sa company. Delikado to, delikado. Ayun oh. Ang lakas. Ito yung problema eh oh. Ito. Nag-grab. Basta nag-grab kasi delikado na. Mag-deliver muna tayo tapos sasabihin ko sa ating ano, wala ano. I-report ko. Ano, ang lakas. Delikado to guys. Lakas oh. Nag-grab. Baka dalawa sila ito. Sa ilalim pa siguro. Dalawa na to. Ayun oh. Wala na. Sira na. Oh. Ang lakas. Nakagandahan pagka nagkakandap ka ng pre-trip guys ha. If you conduct your pre-trip, you see the problem in your truck and tsaka trailer. Ito violation to, violation. Delikaro to, delikaro. Ayan guys ha. If you see something like this, automatic report to your company. See? Nag-grab oh. Delikaro oh. Ay. Sinain yung ilalim, yung ilalim. deliver ko lang, malapit lang naman sa dispatch ko. At saka sa aking shop manager. Ayun oh. Yan oh, lakas oh. 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 Ito ilalim ng malakas ang nakakagbutan ko. Delikado yan, violation yan guys ha? Violation. Kaya guys, talaga kapag ka nag-pre-trip tayo, kapag nag-pre-trip tayo, nilalayo tayo sa mga aberya. Ayan. Ganyan ko lang muna. Oh. Tapos kaya pala nadidrain yung hangin ko kasi ganyan ko matas mama sabihin ko sa dispatch ko at namin safety manager. Yan, nakita natin ang malfunction. So ipagpatuloy natin ang pre-trip. Good thing guys, I do my pre-trip, otherwise violation pa dyan. Pagkatapos ko mag-deliver, tsaka na tayo pumunta ron. Ipagawa yan guys. Alright. Tara. Maraming dadaanan dyan. Basta naman magtabog pa tayo. Okay. Okay. Alright guys, so far walang problema sa unit truck ko. Yun lang reaper talaga ang problema. Kaya yan, mag-deliver ako ngayon. Tapos pipicturean ko muna yon, sisend ko sa aking safety. Maghanap sila ng pwedeng pag-anuhan, pwedeng pagpagawaan ng trailer, at saka dadaan tayo doon. Drivable pa naman, hindi naman pwedeng tatawag pa ng dito ng mekaniko. Gagastos lang sila niyan. Okay pa to, wala naman tayong timbang madadaanan kasi dumaan na tayo dyan sa bandarya. Let's go guys, deliver mo tayo. Alright guys, tatawag muna ako sa Torque. I-report ko muna yan, magpahanap muna ka pinakamalapit dito sa lugar kong ito, sa sa mekaniko na madadaanan natin. Sabihin ko lang muna sa kanila yung issue ko para alam nila. Tawagan natin si Boss Rene. Hello. Good afternoon. Yeah, it's Nestor here.
Call back the shop. I went through my phone answer.
Oh yeah, by the way, before you go, I'm going to my delivery, and find me.
No. Call back to the shop when you're talking to John. You gotta talk to Ernie.
Oh, okay. Okay, John.
Thanks,
Okay.
man.
Alright. Ba yata yung number na Okay, Rene. Boss Rene. Bata. Tawagan ko ito. Yes, sir. Good afternoon. It's nice store here.
Who are you looking for?
Shop, please.
1 second.
Thank you. Boss Daryl.
Sir, Grady speaking.
Erin, it's nice store here.
Hi, Nestor.
Yes, how are you?
Good.
Oh yeah, well, I'm in your Cornwall. I'm going to deliver first and then can you please find me nearest trailer mechanic or shop? I have a air leak in my trailer. The one that it goes in the brake chamber. It's still
Okay.
still drivable. You don't need to send a mechanic here in my place.
Where are you going after?
I'm going to Milton, Ontario. So I'm in Cornwall. Once I deliver here, I'm going to Milton, Ontario. I'm going back to Ontario, Milton. Just text me the address if you can find, okay? I'm going to deliver first in Walmart, Cornwall.
Okay, hang on. I think, what is going on here? So you said you're going to Cornwall after, or you're in Cornwall now?
I'm in Cornwall now, and then I'm going to deliver here in this location here, about 7 miles. And then after that, I'm heading back to Milton, Ontario.
Okay, there's a Petro Pass truck stop at the corner of 401 and Boundary Road. You're gonna go to that Petro Pass and GTR is gonna look at you there.
Okay, send me the address please. Thank you.
Yeah, will do. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye. Bye. Orchestra. Saan tayo sa deliver? Signal lang sa akin yung address. Okay pa naman itong ano ko. Huwag lang sana yung binibigay niyang address. Huwag lang sana dumaan sa ano. Dumaan sa ano tawag ito? Sa scale. Kaso nga lang, pagka sa scale inano tayo, pinalover tayo at inspection at talagang makikita yan. Pero sana mag-deliver muna ako. Okay pa naman tong truck at saka trailer ko. Malapit lang naman yung dideliveran. Let's go guys. Alright guys, 401 East. Lapit na tayo sa dideliveran. Lapit lang dito, mga 7 to 8 kilometer lang, 4 miles lang naman mula doon sa pinagparkingan nating Irving.
Take exit 792 on the right to Atkinson Mill Avenue.
Avenue, McConnell Avenue, Cornwall.
At the end of the street, turn right.
Ayan oh. May mga ano dyan guys oh. May mga shop dyan oh. Truck repair oh. Dyan pala tayo dadaan. Yan. Baka yan yun. Kung hindi yan ang ibinigay niya, nag-text sa akin mamaya babasahin natin. Kung hindi ito yung ibinigay niyang yung truck repair, kung hindi yan, dyan na ako pupunta. Ayan oh, open truck repair sabi. Nakita nyo guys to, truck trailer repair, airline lang naman ang titirahin niya.
In 1.5
Sabitan lang yan.
miles, turn left on 10th Street
Kahit ako
East.
na magbayad, tapos ipa-deduct ko na lang sa kanila. Kahit pera ko na gagamitin ko. Ano? Truck repair. Meron din para sa ano, truck repair. Meron din. Kaliwat kanan pala guys. Meron din to. Maraming lugar dito. May truck wash din. Ano? Meron din oh. Ito. Meron din. Yan. Di na tayo dadaan mamaya. Truck and trailer repair. Ayan oh, nakita natin yung sign. Lapit lang. Truck and trailer repair. Dito na lang. Gilid ng karsada. Ayan guys. Nag-deliver muna tayo.
In 1/2 mile, turn left on 10th Street East.
Dito lang din tayo dadaan mamaya guys. Ayun na. Madaan na natin yung repair shop. Oras na ba? Hirap ng maliit. Lagay ko lang dyan yung cellphone ko para kitang-kita ako. Ito kasi sa truck nakamanitoba kasi itong orasan Ito sa cellphone ko kahit saan lugar ako Hindi ko binabago itong orasan dito sa truck ko. Ayaw ko mabuti. Ito ko yun. Para di sa lang po kung saan talaga yung oras ng manito. Malapit na tayo. Kalahating kilometro na lang.
Turn left at the traffic light.
cyclist na ganito guys, titignan mo, baka mamaya matumba siya, eksakto siya sa karsada, masasagasaan mo pa. Dapat alerto. Kahit ito mga dito, mga naglalakad na tao nito, hindi mo nga alam ito kung lasing, mamaya matalisod siya, natumba siya rito, eksakto. Ay naku po, huwag naman sana Lord. Ay alerto kayo sa pagdadrive nyo. Ay lasing pala yun eh, uuwi siya. Pauwi na siya ng bahay tapos lasing pala.
In 1/2 mile, arrive at 1501 Industrial Park Drive on the left.
Alright, dito na tayo guys sa dideliveran natin. Mag-aalas 2 pa lang, sana tanggapin ako dito. Kasi 3:30 minsan napaka hindi nila tinatanggap yung mga tao ano dito eh. Yung mga maagang papasok eh. Alright guys. Strict sila rito guys. Dun sa kabila, bigyan tayo ng araw sa kabila. Parang ako rito tapos pasok ako sa loob guys. Check-in lang tayo doon. Tapos punta tayo doon sa yun. Sa designated ano nila, shipping and receiving. Tara. Alright guys, naka-check-in na ako dito sa guard. Binigyan na tayo ng ganito sticker na yan. Now susulat ko pala yung ano ko rito, signature. Kasi yan talaga ang ano, ilang beses na natin yung di-deliver sa mga ganito eh. Tapos yung phone number ko, okay. Ayan. Tapos nag-text na rin sa akin si Boss Rene. Meron siyang ibinigay na ano, sabi niya, please let me know when you arrive at Petropass 6214 Boundary Road in Cornwall and I will have GTR repair trailer 1440 M Erlik yan. Tignan natin kung saan banda ito. Kung malayo pa yan, wala sa dadaanan ko pupunta. Let's go guys, punta tayo dun sa kanilang ano, para mas masabihan tayo kung anong door. Okay guys, tara. Parang delivery tayo dito. Hi! There you go.
All right. Oh, you are 6098, my dear. Your reefer load. You're gonna go see my friend at the very last window.
Oh, it's reefer. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Alright, there. Yes! Can you speak to the shop, please?
Sorry, the shop? Okay.
Yeah, thanks.
Derek Brady speaking.
It's the store here.
Hi there.
Yeah, so a guy from GTR is went here in my delivery place. He is fixing other truck here, and then I talked to him and I call him, and then they're gonna be at last at 6 p.m. and I don't know when I'm gonna start unloading here. It's probably more than that. So I talked to him, and then he said he worked with Turk, and then I asked him if it's if he can fix our trailer here in here in the
Where you're waiting to offload?
yeah, is that okay? Because there's an extra charge for on call on that.
It is what it is.
Okay, for sure. That's why I call you first before.
I know that Daryl was saying they're pressed for time, so if he can do it there, I mean, it can't be that much. You're only 10 minutes from their shop, so.
Yeah, and then here in this location is they are so take time to unload here. It's probably when I go in there they already closed. So minus
Yeah, I'll call the guy at GTR as well and let him know that that was the one I called about. And if he could do it right there where you're at, then that's fine.
oh yeah, he gave me actually the what is this the phone number. Yeah, I can call them and then he can come here.
Yeah, that works too. And then he can just call me for payment.
Okay, for sure. Thank you.
Alright, thanks, Esther.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, tawagan na natin ito guys. Tawagan ko na ito para sa ganun ano. Okay, so para bumalik dito. Hindi rin kasi ako makapag-decide guys kasi ayoko rin naman makamamay ako pa mag-charge Hello?
Yes?
Yes, I am the one I just speak with you with the airline, Turk Enterprise.
Okay.
And then they said to me, I confirm my shop manager, you can come here.
Okay, no problem.
I don't know how long they will going to unload me here. It take time. That's probably you can come here now and bring all your.
No problem. When I free from there, I will call you and come here, okay?
How long?
I don't know. Like, I'm going there. I picked up things and maybe in an hour, I will be there.
30 minutes, okay?
Hour. Just give me an hour.
Okay, for sure. Thank you. Okay, bye. Alright guys, yan. Tinawagan na ako. 729, door 729 daw. Inabot din ako dito ng ito. Bago nila ako tinawagan, 2 hours and 42 minutes. So ito. Ano? 2 hours and 42 minutes. Matagal. But anyway, at least nabigyan na tayo ng door. So ang gagawin ko na lang, atras na lang ako doon. Buksan ko trailer, atras tayo doon. At hopefully pupunta rito yung yung kausap natin. At gawin na yung aking reaper, yung airlines, para matapos na. Pagkatapos nun, punta na tayo sa Milton, i-pick up, papunta naman tayo Nova Scotia. Dinig na dinig oh.
Oh, alright guys, yan. 729. Daling ko lang sa loob ng ano ko. Dinig na dinig, lakas. Siya yung ano, yung naka-drop ng trailer. Hopefully okay na yung kanyang truck at saka trailer. Don't forget to ano guys, kasi don't forget to do a tag test, perform a tag test. Makalimutan ko pa yung seal. Yan lang. Tatras tayo. Alright, abang lang tayo rito. Okay.
잘하네요. 오늘 레슨 여기까지만 할까요?
혹시 여친 있어요? 진짜 가요?
아니요.
주머니에 있는 건 빼고 가죠.
무슨 말씀이신지.
Tawagan ko ulit guys yung ano, yung ito na yata, baka ito na yan. Ito na, GTR Mobile. Sakto. Ito, eksakto. Eksakto na umaalog-alog na rin. Eksakto matatapos niya ito. Eksakto niyang matatapos din yung ano. Matatapos din yung ano natin. Load natin. I thought you're not gonna come. Okay, you have everything here?
Yeah, it's lots of thing inside.
Okay, so guys, he is on call. Where is it?
GTR.
GTR Mobile Truck and Trail Repair. Yeah, 613-930-6168. Yeah, anywhere. Anywhere in Ontario or only in Cornwall?
No, yeah, in Quebec also. Like if you
Quebec?
got, like you have you need a roadside service near the 30
Okay, yeah.
in Quebec.
Yeah.
Like in Montreal or
Okay.
Kingston.
All
We do,
right.
like
Alright.
we have a 3 van. Like we're doing.
Alright, let's do it. They're banging the door now. They start doing it. Sana mabilis lang siya para matapos agad-agad. Para hindi na ako pupunta. So you just gonna charge them? You just gonna call them to charge or?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Pause. Guys, at least kahit pa paano tirahin na niya. See, okay.
New creeper.
Oh yeah, that's nice. This won't take long, eh?
Huh?
This won't take long.
Which one?
This one,
Yeah.
you're doing it won't take long, yeah.
That's why I keep losing air when I check, when I do my pre-trip. There's a little, you know, and then there's a little leak. I heard it. Then I check everywhere. That's what happened.
You pull
It's
air
rubbing.
or red one, you pull already or no?
No, you want me to pull it?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. Guys, they're banging the door now. I-release ko muna rito. Naka-release na pala. Wala. Kasi naglilig na eh. Wala na sigurong ano, hangin. There's no more air because it's been it's already leaked since before. Nurin natin ang trabaho ng mga mekaniko rito guys sa Canada. Ganito magtrabaho eh. Okay. Yeah, me too. I feel like no, it's hooked properly. Look, you can do it anything in there. So you have to cut the hose all the way there.
Yeah.
Oh, you
Because
don't need...
if I put the joint in it,
Yeah,
it's not a good.
it's not working?
Yeah.
It's not good?
I'm-
Okay.
Yeah.
I was thinking about if you put joint, but it's no.
No, cannot.
Cannot, okay. You have to replace the whole thing?
Yeah.
Okay. Pinahirapan talaga. Trabaho rin. Which one is red there? Red line.
Oh. So this is the parking. Parking.
Okay. It's the
Like
red
when
line.
yeah, this is the red.
Red line, okay. That's
Red
the
line means like it's
Yeah.
continuously air in it.
Okay.
This is the service.
Service line.
Yeah.
you gonna remove all the way there?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I have to.
Then why don't you just cut through it and then pull it other side?
Yeah, I'm doing like that.
Oh, okay.
I'm doing like that.
Red light pa rin naman tayo eh. Mayroon tayong pagkakataon para panoorin ang trabaho nito. Matrabaho yan guys. Alright. Balikan ko na lang yan mamaya guys. Ako pinig sumipit to. Siya nang bahala rin. Alright guys, kain muna tayo. Pang ano ko na to, pang tawag nito, pangatlong kain ko na ito. Pangatlong kain, tapos meron pa tayong dinner mamaya ulit. Anong oras na rin? Alas 6:02 na, pero kain pa ako mamaya. Same na pagkain, brown rice, chicken breast, at saka broccoli. So meron akong protein, meron akong carbs, meron akong fiber. Guys, kain, tapos baba tayo. Check natin yung gawa niya. Alright guys, tapos na yata. I-update natin yung gawa. Done! Natanggal na niya, natanggal na niya. Almost there. Almost there. Okay, that's good. Oh, that's a lot of hoses. Natanggal na niya. Kakabit na lang niya yun. Matrabaho rin pala talaga yan. Ayan guys. Palitan kaya na? Oh, oh, you're gonna replace the thing too? Okay.
So,
Right there. Thing over there with the lock, and you're just gonna push it in. It won't leak anymore, eh? been doing this?
7 years.
7 years?
Yep.
Oh, that's a lot of experience now.
Yeah, I work for the Volvo.
What?
Volvo?
Loblo?
Volvo.
Oh, you work Volvo?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I got the license from there.
You got your
My
mechanic
red seal from there, yeah.
mechanic license to Volvo?
Yeah.
Red seal?
Red seal, yeah.
Red seal? Okay. A red seal pala to eh. Okay, so yun na lang. Tapusin na lang niya yan. Dalawa yan eh. Tanggalin pa rin yan. Ito, isa rin. Ito. 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 Kitang-kita yung ano yung butas eh. Alright. Balikan na lang natin ulit. Red light pa rin naman tayo eh. Ayan guys. How was it?
Yeah, almost done.
Almost done? Okay. Oh wow, it's a new one eh. Perfect, that's good. You done the other side there?
Done everything. Just secure.
Oh, okay, securement is cool. Okay.
After that,
That's good. That's good. Doing a great job already. Thanks, you're faster than I thought. I don't need to go to your shop anymore, eh?
Yeah.
At least it saved me time.
You from where?
Huh?
You from where? Where you come?
Philippines. I'm from Manitoba, Winnipeg. You?
I'm from here.
Are you born here?
No. From India.
India, okay. Still right, that's good. Tama na ako pagka once you done, they probably done too. Oh, okay. Finalizing now. So you're finishing the other side now?
No.
Not yet? You're just gonna go there?
Yeah, I'm starting from here.
Oh, okay. Alright. Okay.
You good?
Yeah, I'll go there and then you go there. Okay. Sa airlines nyo dyan. So guys ha, drop your comments kung paano dumiskarte ang mga Pilipino sa Pilipinas na ano, ng mga mekaniko doon. Ganito rin ba? Kung mas magaling tayong mga Pinoy. Mas magaling tayong mga Pinoy, no? Alright, tapusin na lang niya yan. Alright. Matagal 3:30 yung aking appointment dito. 6:30 na guys. So 3:30, 4:30, 5:30, dalawang oras na free. 6:30 magka-count na ako ng ng wait time niyan. Bukas pa naman ang pick up ko papuntang Nova Scotia. Matagal sila rito hanggang 8:30 at kumita na naman tayo ng wait time. Tama na. Kailan muna tayo ulit. Tapos na niya guys. Done?
Done.
Okay, perfect. That's good. Secure na lang yan.
Need to secure.
Yep, securement is the last thing you need to do in there.
This is the main thing.
Yeah, main thing. Mga zip tie na yan eh, mahal yan. Alright, ayos. How much you charge torque?
What?
How much do you charge torque?
For this thing?
Yeah, the whole thing.
I don't know. I have to check.
Okay. Siyempre parts. Ito yung parts. Tapos yung lever, dalawang.
Okay. Release the brake.
Release the brake or you want me to start?
Yeah, start.
So that-
Release the brake. I want to check the air leak.
Okay. I'm going to turn on my truck. Oh, you want me to connect the red line?
Huh?
You want me to connect the red line? I did not connect. You said you remove the red line, right? So,
No, just
okay.
push the red line. Red line. Just push that. Put the
Oh,
air in the trailer.
Oh, okay. That's what I mean. Wala eh. Wala ang ibig mong sabihin eh. Mag-build muna siya ng hangin. Siyempre, connect muna natin to. Start ko. Mag-build siya ng hangin. Kahit konti. Yun. Tapakan lang natin. See? Pagka may man naririnig kayong ganyan guys, low. Antayin lang natin. Revolusyon ko. Para magkarga ng hangin. Pag nawala yung buzzer na yan, wala na. Tapos supply natin to. Hey! Good? Good na daw. I'm gonna build air first.
Huh?
I'm gonna build air first in order to...
Put the air in it.
Yeah,
You release brake.
yeah. Done? Everything's done?
Yeah.
Okay. So you should just call Turk or what? What do you want me to do?
Call to your.
For Turk?
I think it's done. See, timing, huh?
Timing, yeah, it's still
I
red. Yeah.
finish, they finish.
Okay. So I'm gonna call them to
pay me.
To pay you, or you gonna call them?
No,
Me?
you call them because I don't have a number.
Okay, how much is it?
I don't know. I make a invoice. I
Okay.
have a information. I make an invoice.
Okay, then yeah, sure.
Just tell him, call me.
I will give you my number. I will give you their number, and then you can call them. Okay, I will just do your thing, and I will come back. Do your thing, and then I will come back.
Yeah, yeah.
I'll go get their number. Uy, ay, akala ko may tama eh. Tawagan ko si Rene guys. Tapos Rene yung patalas ng strong. guys, oh. It's done. I can give you your number and talk to them the price. Talk to them the invoice. Tawagan natin.
Rennie speaking.
Hey, yeah, it's the guy here.
What's that trailer number? Is it 1443M?
1443
3M or PM?
3M. Okay, here's the guy. He's finishing everything. He's finished doing the airlift, and then he's
Yeah.
gonna pay him here.
Yeah.
Okay. He's doing.
What would you like from me right now?
Okay, here the guy.
Hey bro, how are you? Okay, you have my number, I think?
I think so.
Yeah, I'm making an invoice. Just 5 minutes, I will call you or you call me. That's it.
Okay, it'd be better probably if you call me.
Call?
Yeah, call you.
Yeah,
You.
okay, call me after 5 minutes. I'm making an invoice. Thank you, brother.
Okay, you guys good? Okay. Rene, okay. Take care there, okay? I have to do my delivery now, okay? Okay. Alright guys, shot. Bahala na sila doon. Red pa rin. How much did it cost?
It's nearby, like 600-700, huh?
Oh, okay. $600 to $700, including labor,
Everything.
recall.
The air and the parts, everything in it.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. Alright, okay, take it easy there.
Yeah.
The invoices, you send it to them?
Yeah, everything is.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Alright guys, $600 to $700 daw. Siyempre, hindi ko naman ano yan. Wala sa akin ang invoice kasi. Okay, di sila talagang magbabayad. So, bali magantay lang muna ako dito guys kasi wala pa, hindi pa tapos eh. Red light pa rin. Magdadrive na naman tayo ng gabi nito. Papunta ng Ontario. 5 hours yun eh. Bale. Right guys. Antay ko lang, ang tagal eh. Right guys, kunin natin yung papel. Tinawagan na ako. Filipino? Okay. Pagkisabi naman doon sa loob na paki-unlock yung ano ko, still red eh.
Saan sa 729?
Oo. Pula pa rin.
Wala pa din.
Okay.
Sabihan ko lang sila.
Thank you.
Firma na lang yan, sir.
Okay. Alright guys, nakuha ko ng papel. Ayun, nakita nyo. Start time is 5:50, finish 6:35. Schedule ko rito is 3:30, 4:30, 5:30, 2 hours grace period. 6:30 isang oras. Ang oras na ano na guys, 7:45 na. Hindi nila inano kasi. Green na. Kanina pa ito kanina pa ako red light yung ginagawa yung aking patay ko na to. Ginagawa yung aking trailer kanina pa yon. Natapos na lahat test. Wala pa rin. Paano ko malalaman yan? Naka-red pa rin tayo Ayun, kung makikita nyo sa cellphone ko guys, oras pa. Ang oras ayun, 7:47 na. Doon hindi ko pa isasarado doon. Dadaan pa ako sa ang tawag nito, sa gate. Titignan pa yung loob kung gusto nang tignan bago natin sarado. 2 oras ang ko dyan, i-ask ko sa kanila na wait time. Aba guys, hindi ko kasalanan yun. Hindi naman nila inayos na-receive ko ang tawag, tsaka pa lang natin nalaman na hindi na pala tayo. Let's go sa gate.
So we want you to wait. Yeah, wait.
Oh, I
at
thought
the
I'm
stop
waiting for the light. There's no light.
sign. Yeah, over here there's no light, but on the other side, there's a light. Over here there's no light. So yeah, just for future. Yeah, well, we just want you to wait at the stop sign. We'll wave you up.
Okay.
Okay. So I see you're empty.
Yeah, there's nothing in there.
So you are going to be all set. I don't need the paperwork. It's okay. I'm just going to ask you just to drive up to the stop sign. I'll take a look at the back.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Tapos banda ako sa banda ron. Tapos sarado natin. Okay, binigyan tayo go. Alright guys. Alright, oh malinis. Hindi na ako magpapahugas. Ayos. Alright guys, let's go. Magdadrive pa ako ngayon, 5 oras na driving hanggang Ontario. I mean Milton. Doon tayo mag-pick up. Alas 8 na. Andun na ako ng mga launa siguro. Guys, patuloy ko na vlog to. Thank you for watching. Mag-ingat kayo lagi. Ganyan. Mag-pre-trip kayo upang sa ganon makita nyo yung mga problema ng mga truck nyo. Pag nagustuhan nyo yung video vlog ko guys, thank you for watching and kindly share para sa ating lahat. Guys, I love you all. Peace out. Bye bye for now.
Lakai Tracker.